quick video on how I rolled the driver's side fender lip on my 67 Mustang using an Eastwood fender roller. The first couple of pictures show how much clearance I have between the top of the tire and the bottom of the fender, which is about a finger's width, which is about half an inch. Next picture shows the actual height that my fender is at, which is around 25 and a quarter inches. And then I show how long the fender lips are, which is around 3/4 of an inch. In this video, I'm going to show how long the fender lip is. Right at the bottom, you got about an inch. As you're traveling up, goes down to like 3/4 or a little over 3/4. Right around 70 degrees. The previous owner had rolled the lip, but very little, so I want to make sure I roll as much as I can. Right here I still have about half an inch of fender lip that I need to roll up. I'm going to see how much I can get it as flat as possible. Okay, so this is the first video I'm making on working on my Mustang. I need to roll the fenders. I bought an Eastwood fender roller and installed it, tying up the lug nuts. I put 3 on there. I preheated the fender a little bit, that way this video is not so long, and hopefully the angle that I put my phone on is a good angle for everybody to see. So I'm going to do a time-lapse video, but I just wanted to introduce the video showing you, because I looked up on YouTube. I really couldn't find a video that specifically targeted a 67 Mustang. I mean, I know most fenders are the same, but I'm just going to do this side of the fender, do the other side. I won't show you that video, and I'm going to try to see if the fender roller will also work on the rear fenders. But for now, this video will just be on this side, on the passenger side fender. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to time-lapse. Correction, I meant to say driver's side. Okay, so I am done doing the driver's side fender. Took me about, I don't know, I would say like 30 minutes maybe. I got a little bit of cracking on the paint, but I'm not too worried about it. This cracking was already there from the previous owner. This was not, but I was able to get most of the fender pretty much flat. Had a little bit of cracking right here at the bottom, but then all of this right here is pretty much flat against the fender all the way down to about right here. So most of the fender where the tire would interfere is pretty much flush against the fender. I would recommend that you be a little bit more patient than I was if you do care about cracking. I had a little bit of cracking right there as well. Sorry, move out the wire for my heat gun. But got a little bit of cracking right there. Not too bad. But on the other side, I'll be a little bit more careful, make sure I heat it up and not go in maybe increments of 6 to 8 inches as you heat up, and then readjust the fender roller. But I would say, to do it, it's pretty easy to do it yourself. just be patient and don't worry about messing things up unless you have a really nice paint job. Anyways, hopefully this helps everybody, and good luck to everybody's projects. All right. Pretty happy with the result. Was able to go from 3/4 of an inch to a little over an 1/8 inch.